I really walk through our program, and it's like a 20-minute video, so like most people don't watch the whole thing. I totally get it. But yeah, just like as a preview and just to kind of set expectations, our marketing, the HVAC Lead Maximizer program, like there's 6 components to it. Website is one of those, and it's the 80/20 of like how our clients are growing, how HVAC companies are growing, to the $6 million point. It's website, it's SEO, it's Google ads, local service ads specifically, it's social media, review management, text message marketing.